Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel Alevelcams. In this question we are given a quadratic polynomial and the information given to us, one root is twice the other. So what we have to do, we have to prove this relation. So dear student, consider one root is alpha. What about the other root? Other root is, according to given condition, is twice the other. So the sum of the roots alpha plus 2 alpha is minus b over a, and product of the root is c over a. So you can write from here alpha equal minus b over 3a, because you have 3 here, you can divide. And similarly, you can see alpha square is c over 2a. When you divide 2, you will get alpha square. Substitute this alpha into alpha square, you will get minus b over 3a square is c over 2a. So student, you have b square over 9a square c by 2. You can cancel out and you have b square is 9ac. You can see that it is proved. In this question we are given that there is a quadratic equation with a, b, c are the constant, and this equation has two roots alpha and beta, and we have to prove this relation. So student, we know that sum of the roots is minus b over a and product of the root is c by a. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, so you can say equation 1 divided by equation 2. So alpha plus beta over alpha beta minus b over a alpha beta. Understand? So you can cancel out alpha and beta. You will get 1 by alpha and 1 by beta minus b over a. What is alpha beta? C by a. C by a. So you can write minus b over a is one reciprocal of sum of the roots, and this is proved. So I hope so you have a good understanding, since it is also very easy question. So for further updates, stay with us. Allah Hafiz.